Hello friends, you are welcome on my YouTube channel is English. I am Rajesh Pal, Pedagogy of English. Today I am going to discuss about model sentences which we use in English language. Actually these are model sentences because they don't follow any verb in them and they show quality, position, condition, relation and possession. In the beginning, first of all, I want to tell you, my dear, that most of the languages in the world, they are originated from our primitive language, Sanskrit. And as we have three persons in this Sanskrit language also, like Pratham Vachan, Dvitiya Vachan, Tritiya Vachan, in the same way in English language we have three person, first person, second person, third person. What is first person? In first person we have only two words, I and we, मैं और हम. In second person we have only you. According to sense and respect we use it in Hindi language like tu, tum, aap, and remaining all the words, you can say rest of all, we put them under the category of third person. Keep it in your mind, regarding persons only I, we, first person, you, second person, and all the other words, these are put under the category of the third person. They may be plural, they may be singular. Now I hope there isn't any confusion in your mind regarding persons like a first person, second person, third person in your mind. Now I am coming to the next step, my dear. You know it well that in English language we use a lot of helping verbs to make sentences in tenses also, like do, does, is, am, are, has, have, had, shall, will. And some people also think that modals are also taken under the category of these helping verbs, but it is a different matter. I will discuss on it on any other time. But today I am going to discuss about only model sentences. And my dear, I am going to stress the need of using only 8 helping verbs under the category of these model sentences. And these are is, am, are, was, were, has, have and had. My dear, is means in Hindi it is hai and it is used with he, she, it, name or singular. And am means in Hindi who and it is always fixed with I, means I am, मैं हूँ. And third one it is are means हैं and it is used with we, you, they, names and plural. Next one it is was and its meaning in Hindi, my dear, tha or thi, and it is used with I, he, she, it, name or singular. And next one it is were. Were means thi or the. We use it with we, you, they, names or plural. It is the, you can say, group of 5 helping verbs, is, am, are, was, were. They show quality, position, condition and relations. And next category is, my dear, has, have, had. These 3 words show possession. Possession means something related to someone. Like has, in Hindi its meaning is पास है और रखता है या रखती है. And it is used with he, she, it, name or singular. And next one have, its meaning in Hindi is रखता हूँ, रखती हूँ, रखते हैं और पास है. It is used with I, we, you, they, names or plural. And next one it is had. Had means पास था, पास थी, पास थे, रखता था, रखती थी, रखते थे. In it we use it with each and every persons, like there isn't any distinguishment that it is used with first person, second or third person. We use it in with all the persons. Now it is description of these model helping verbs. I am coming to the next point, how to formate these model sentences. In the beginning I told you that these sentences don't have any verb in them. That's why in affirmative or you can say simple sentence we have the, you can say, formula subject plus helping verb plus object plus remaining. And in negative, you know it well, my dear, in negative not is put at the third place after helping verb. That's why its formation is subject plus helping verb plus not plus object plus remaining. And in interrogative in Hindi language, you know it well, my dear, we use kya in the beginning to make a sentence, to make a question. That's why we put helping verb in the beginning. After that subject plus object plus remaining plus question mark. And in interrogative negative, helping verb plus note plus subject plus object plus remaining plus question mark. We are putting note at the second place. Why? Because note is always used after helping verbs. That's why we are using it after helping verb in this interrogative negative. Helping verb plus note plus subject plus object plus remaining plus question mark. My dear, I have told you about these model sentences, the helping verbs and the formation of them, how we use them. I am telling you some of the examples to show you how we use them. I am telling you, my dear, first of all, there is a confusion in our mind regarding the use of them. Just see how we use them. Like, first of all, it is. Just see the example. She is an efficient nurse. I am a pedagogue of English. Students are on the roof. Seema was in Mumbai yesterday. The cops were very active. I was in need of your help. She has a doll. Ram has an urgent piece of work today. I have account in this bank. They have a lot of books. And regarding head, she had headache yesterday. Karina was not at home last Sabbath. Had you a bungalow in 2017? These are some of the uses of these ism or was were has have had, and I think everything is clear in your mind, my dear. I am attaching, if you are attaching some of the examples and exercise with this in the description. If you are facing any kind of difficulty, just take help of it. Even you have any questions or any doubt in your mind, just ask me. I will try to remove all of your doubts regarding it. In next video, I am going to tell you something else which will really help you to remove your hesitation while facing even a stranger and conversing English language. Thanks a lot, my dear. You have given me so much time. Have a nice day. See you. Bye.